Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Srey Soni. And our project name is Price Prediction. My fellow mate Sarthak Palivar and Jay Patel is presenting this project. These are the components of our project. Problem statement. It is very easy for a company to price their new cars based on the manufacturing and marketing costs is involved, but when it's come to use a car, it is quite difficult to define a price because it involves various parameters like car brand, manufacturer, year, and so on. Project definition. The used car market is an ever rising industry which has almost doubled its market value in the last few years. The goal of our project is to predict the best price for a pre-owned car in the Indian market based on the related data using linear regression. System requirements are in Harvard Core i5 4G RAM, internet connectivity, software requirement, Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, machine learning libraries, and Python.
And this is the tech stack used, Python and machine learning. And this is the flow chart. First, how it goes. First, we understand the model, evaluate and clean it. Then we identify our variables, target and predict. Then we test and train the model. Then we have to understand the model. And if model prediction is satisfactory, then we go ahead or we backtrack and do all the steps earlier done. And then we test and deploy the model. This is the implementation of our project. I hand over
The
to Sarthak.
the future enhancements of the project can be that we can implement a user interface at which a user can provide the details related to car like model and year and some other details and can have a predicted price. Moreover, the data set is currently limited and does not cover a wider time frame in past. So the a more robust data set can be included. Currently, the limitations of our project is that it cannot predict the price very accurately because of some changing variables like taxes and dynamic commodities. Moreover, the data of data collection process of whole world is quite complicated because of the because of many models available and because of so I would like to conclude by saying that the market for used car will be continuously increasing because people consider a new car as a depreciating asset. So the use of these kinds of machine learning models will continue to rise in future and could be made much more better by using better techniques and data.
And these are
These
the
are
references.
references which we used.
Now we head over to our project. So this is our project, right? So first we have imported the libraries and then we have loaded the data set. Then we have done the analysis part. In this we have find what are the null values or are there any missing values. And if there are missing values, we have removed that. Then we have find the duplicated rows. Then we have done the data visualization. In that we have used matplotlib library of Python. So based on the various parameters, we have plotted this graph. If we take an example, then we can clearly see that based on the present price, we have calculated how many cars are there. And there is another component we can say that based on fuel type, we have counted the cars. And there are different graphs we have used, right? So this is the heat map showing the range of variations of the parameters. And we have used label encoder, which used for converting categorical data into numerical data. In the data set, we can see there are fuel type, seller type, these are all categorical. So using label encoder, we can convert into numerical values. Then we have done model formation using test string split. Then we have used linear regression, right? And based on the training and test data, we have plotted a graph showing the values, how data is sparsely or densely spread across. And we have calculated the mean absolute, mean squared, and root mean squared error values for showing how much accurate our data is. So if our data's value is zero, approx to 0 or 1, we can say our data is pretty good, accurate. So we got 1.16 value. So it can be stated that its accuracy is good. So our this was all about our project.